Hi guys, how are you? I'm Jetjo from Comex Overseas Division. Today, I'm going to show you our brand new product. This is it. The model name is the CDV-70QT, and as you can see, this model has very luxury design and also smartphone connection function. So today, I will show you the very surprising and tremendous, amazing things to you. Let me see what is inside. Wow! This is the main product. And also user-friendly manual. And lastly, the installation kit. Hi Gisong.
Hey there, open the door.
I'm outside now. Okay, so do you want to get inside first?
Okay, I'll go inside first.
Okay, I will open the door.